Hey, welcome back to my channel. First, do me a favor and subscribe. Thank you. Let's get to 1000 subscribers. And thank you for 284 subscribers. Okay, so this week I wanted to do an unboxing of the Dremel MS-20, but because I doubt I'm going to keep it, I won't post that video for now. Well, I won't post it at all. I don't buy products to make a video, I actually use what I buy. Anyway, this brings me to this video. You've seen the title, this is a real review of the adidas NMD S1. I'm sick of being silent and I'm not going to hold back with my reviews anymore. This is a torture device. It's actually funny how in one of those first official pictures from when this was released, the boost part was only shown from above, and now I know why. But let's get right into it. The things I hate about these, first of all, they are extremely uncomfortable. The upper is way too hard. As I said, it feels like a torture device. The upper doesn't stretch at all. The boost is way too thin, and please stop saying this midsole is full of boost, because it's not. These are way too narrow and too long, so the sizing is a major issue. This is my normal size 9.5 and they feel too long, but they are extremely narrow. Going down a size will be even more narrow. I mean, seriously, how tiny are your feet to say these are comfortable? Or that you need to size down? Stop fucking lying because you're hoping these brands are going to give you free sneakers. And I bet whoever said these fit big are those idiots who want their shoes to be painted on their feet with literally no room inside. These are very heavy and chunky and the outsole is way too thick. I could literally feel this giant ass rubber chunk poking into my sole. There's literally no padding on these except for something on this heel collar they did here. This part where the plastic mesh meets the hard knit started to deteriorate already, look at this. The packaging is trash and it's not like with some other pairs I've seen online. The price is too high, even though I got these for 100 euros, that's too much. I don't really like this see-through design they did here with the mesh. This seems lazy. Also, it's enough with the boost material already. On a side note, imagine an Ultra Boost sneaker with a light strike midsole. An Ultra Light Strike? Yeah, you heard that here first. This writing on the back right here is not embroidery like one of these idiots on YouTube said. And finally, these don't look that great on feet from a distance. So to summarize, Adidas is simply lying to you with this thin ass boost. And there's many other examples. These YouTube dickwads also lied about other sneakers. For example, the Boost you wear, the BYW, with the same lie that these are extremely comfortable, some other bullshit like that. Look at how thin the boost material actually is. Yeah, and it's the same with this NMD S1. The midsole is not full of boost, not even half of it. And when you see the edge of the boost, it's actually curved up. And by the way, one of these lying asshole YouTubers got upset that Adidas didn't put him in one of the ads, so he sold all his sneakers, which is lame as fuck. So let's see some on feet and I'll get back with the things I like about these. And the only thing I like about these is the design. In hand, but also from the point of view, from above. As I said in my other videos, I will buy a sneaker if I like the design, even if it's extremely uncomfortable. I will most likely remove one of these blades from the side and this giant chunk of rubber, which will make them lighter. Anyway, that is my real review / rant on these. Feel free to post your opinions in the comments, and thank you for watching.